Hello everyone, we are going to be solving daily Leetcode problem 3195. Find the minimum area to cover all ones. Before starting this problem, we shall have a small motivational quote. One of the best days for any creative or inventor person is when you find mistakes to solve, as it creates restlessness to solve the mistakes or uh, work on solving those problems at hand. Right? So, with that quote, I wanted to say it's very important that we work on the problems, and sometimes getting a problem is always a blessing in disguise, right? So let's understand this problem statement. So you are given a 2D binary array grid. Find the rectangle with horizontal and vertical sides with the smallest area such that all ones in the grid lie inside the rectangle. Return the minimum possible area of the rectangle. The smallest rectangle has an height of 2 and width of 3. So it's nothing more than the entire grid which contains all the ones. Let's say in this case, 1 is only present in the 0th comma 0 grid, and 1 comma 1 is the minimum possible rectangle that covers it. Okay, with that being said, let us start thinking about how we can solve this problem. We need to find uh, a dimension, let's say, for defining the minimum possible rows and the minimum possible columns, such that it covers all the possible ones within the specified input grid. So for that, uh, we can find the topmost row and the bottom most row where the last one exists and the first one exists, and similarly for the left and right also we can calculate the leftmost column value where the one exists and the rightmost column where the last one exists. With that being said, I will not have a lot of drawings or anything in this board. I'll go to the Leetcode editor and start solving it up. So max row is the one that we need to find, and similarly we are also going to define for min call and also max call. And now we are going to start two for loops as we need to iterate through the 2D grid. So if the specific grid value is a 1, then we recompute our min value with mat.min with the existing one. So since we had initially initialized with the final length, now we are going to reassign it with the minimum value that we see. And max row is math.max max and math.min call j. Okay, this seems to be fine for me. Okay, this seems all fine for me, and now we can finally return the value of the rectangle that we are looking for. Max row, this will be max row minus min row plus 1 plus 1 into max column plus 1. So this should solve our problem. Let's see. Let's try submitting this and let's see if the solution works. As you can see, the solution gets submitted. Time and space complexity of the solution would be of m into n, the number of rows and number of grids, and space complexity would be O of n. We do not have any additional memory. Hope you found this video helpful. This was a pretty easy problem to solve. I hope everybody could solve it on their own. Thank you.